In today's video, we're diving deep into ThoughtSpot, a leading platform in the business analytics space. ThoughtSpot has quickly gained popularity because of its unique approach to business intelligence. The platform offers a search-driven analytics experience, which means you can ask questions in plain English, and it will analyze your data to give you meaningful insights. The interface is fairly intuitive, and you can get started quickly by uploading your data or connecting to a variety of sources. You don't need to be a data scientist to make sense of the data, and that's one of the things that sets ThoughtSpot apart. It's designed to empower users, regardless of their technical skill, to get answers from their data without needing to write complex queries or rely on data engineers. As you start using the platform, you'll notice the speed at which it processes data. It's fast. ThoughtSpot's in-memory search engine allows for rapid querying, which is especially helpful when you're dealing with large datasets. The visualizations are also clean and interactive, providing clear insights into your data. However, as with any platform, ThoughtSpot does have some downsides. While it's generally easy to use, there can be a bit of a learning curve when it comes to more advanced features. The platform is highly customizable, but that also means there are a lot of options to configure. If you're not familiar with business analytics tools, it can feel overwhelming at first. Pricing is another area where ThoughtSpot might not be for everyone. It's on the higher end, which could be a barrier for smaller businesses or startups. If you're a small team, the cost might be a big factor to consider, especially when you compare it to other analytics platforms that offer lower-cost options. But here's the thing. If you're a mid-sized or large organization with complex data needs, and you want a platform that can scale, ThoughtSpot is definitely worth considering. It's powerful, easy to use, and offers some unique features that make data analysis more accessible. Now, for those of you who aren't sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts, I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, ThoughtSpot provides an excellent solution for businesses that want to leverage their data more effectively. It offers solid performance and a modern interface that can help companies of various sizes. But be sure to weigh the cost against the features and determine if it's the right fit for your team's needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated on more in-depth reviews of the latest business tools and platforms. Thanks for watching.